So when you get your hydrangea in the mail, obviously it's going to come all completely crumpled up here in the box. So you're really going to have to fluff it up. This is 2 foot tall and does have 12 of these white hydrangeas on them. So I'm going to get fluffing these up now. Now these are UV resistant, so you can actually put these outside and not have to worry about them fading. The brand did send this to me and I have other hydrangeas already. I love the faux flowers because there is zero maintenance. I don't have the time to be able to water things on a regular basis. And these leaves on here are the perfect color. They're not shiny, so they don't look all fake. And then you can definitely put this inside a bigger vase if you wanted to, which is what I'm gonna do. You just have to fluff it out how you want. These would also be great if you had a shower coming up or a wedding perhaps, and you want to be able to keep this. And the white is also a really nice, crisp, clean white. Just fluffing those flowers up. I'm just sticking my hand in here and kind of twisting everything to really open those up. Okay, as you can see, I got it all fluffed up. I went ahead and just threw it in my own pot here, but that is just absolutely gorgeous. Very nicely made and very realistic looking. So there it is, absolutely beautiful. Of course, it moves just like a real plant, but I don't have to worry about watering it or it fading. So if you were checking these out, I would definitely recommend.